So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally here we have seen that the Arcade Facilitator progress bonus point emails are out, and if you haven't got till now you can check the inbox, spam box and promotion section. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here is the update that the bonus point email has been out. So how you'll see, you have to just scroll down and here you can see milestone completed. So this student has basically completed milestone 3 and will be getting 15 bonus points. That means, suppose if she has earned 30 points and this will make total 45 points, but that is 30 plus 15. So here are, if you want to see the point system, you have to just click over here and you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see here, for milestone 1, there are 2 bonus points. Similarly for 2, 8 bonus points. And for this student, it's 15 bonus points. And if you have achieved ultimate, you'll be getting 25 bonus points. So this is the main thing. Now the next thing is that the price counter, as I said earlier on my previous videos, which many were saying that it's not true. So as you can see here, the price counter will be opening on the July 2025, where all the bonus points and the arcade points, like if you have participated from June or even in January, better say January, March, April, if you have any points, that will be added along with the bonus point you have earned in the Arcade Facilitator program. So a mail was also sent yesterday about the bonus points. So let me show you. First of all, I hope this clears your doubt that the bonus points emails are out and you can check the bonus point, not the total points from the January till 2nd of June. An insider email was out yesterday. You can see this. I've created this video, you can watch it. Here I have shown that the bonus points which was added, and if you have achieved like any badge or you are unable to see the points in that insider email, what is the main reason, you can watch it. I have shared in this video. Now apart from this, many of you have not participated and want to participate it in the arcade program. So what you can do is complete these games. For these games, auditions are always there in the channel. Let me show you how you'll find the channel. I mean solution. So here is the sheet. Wait a minute. So here is the channel, and just when you'll click on this, wait a minute. So here is the channel. You can see all labs and badges are there. And suppose if you want to complete the base camp, you can just check the description video. I've shared the sheet, or just you can navigate to the playlist like this: week 2, week 1, level 1, level 2. Similarly for all are present here. Skill badges are also there, you can check it out. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. Thank you guys, that's what's the update. Have a great day ahead.